Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make Persian chicken and prune curry. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so for this recipe, I'm going to use 1.5 kilos of diced chicken breast. You can use chicken thigh if you prefer, that's up to you. So we'll set that to the side for now. And we're going to start off with 1 brown onion. And all we want to do with our onion, slice through the middle, and we're just going to chop this. Try to get it fine, but if it's not too fine, it's fine because we're cooking it anyway. So once the onions are done, guys, we're gonna get some carrots and some potatoes and we're gonna peel them. So we're gonna need about 4 large sized carrots like this. If you're using small ones, just use about 5. And about 5 medium sized potatoes. And just simply peel them. I'll go ahead and skip this part so I don't have to bore you. It's pretty common sense how to peel vegetables. So once you're done peeling them, all we're going to do is slice them through the middle. And all we want to do is pretty much just dice them. Just something like that. Now you want to try and make them all the same size so they cook evenly. This includes the carrots as well. And as for our carrots, same sort of principle, slice through the middle if you can. These are really big ones, so they'll be a bit harder. And we just want to dice them like our potatoes. Just like so. So we'll continue doing that now. Alright guys, so moving on to our stove, just into a pot on a high heat, I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're going to add our onions straight in. Now we just want to lightly brown our onions. Now we'll add in about 2 crushed garlic cloves. Once the onions started to soften up, we're going to add our chicken straight in. And we'll season our chicken with a pinch of salt. And we'll add about half a teaspoon of black pepper. And all we want to do at this stage is brown our chicken. Now this is optional, but I like to add a bit of chilli to it just to give it a bit of a kick. So I'm just going to add about half a teaspoon. That's all you really need. Then once we add our prunes in, we basically have almost a sweet and spicy sort of curry. So at this point we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of mild curry powder, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. This will also add sweetness. Now we're going to add in about 1 cup of tomato paste. That's generally equivalent to about 5 tablespoons. As well as 1 tablespoon of saffron water. Now we just want to lower our heat to medium and just mix this all together. So at this point we'll go ahead and add in all our vegetables. And we just want to top this up with water until it reaches the top. Which is right about here. So make sure everything's well combined. And what we're going to do at this point is put a lid on. Let that simmer on low to medium for about half an hour, and then we'll come back and check on it. Okay guys, so it's been 30 minutes so far. As you can see, our curry has thickened up. Our potatoes, carrots and our chicken is also cooked and nice and tender. So this is pretty much ready to serve now. But what I'm going to do is add in 1 cup of pitted prunes. Now, of course not everybody likes prunes, but they make a big difference to the flavour. They add that sweetness, and together with the chilli in it, it goes very well. Now if you do want to do that, make sure you use pitted prunes. Don't be stupid and leave the seeds in, because you don't want to chew on pits while you're eating. And we'll just turn our heat off. There's enough heat in there to cook the prunes. We don't want to overcook them. And we'll let that sit for about 5 or 10 minutes, and then we're ready to serve. And there we have it, guys. I've just served it up with some Persian rice with saffron and some fresh mint. If not, you can serve it with anything else, or even just on its own, it will go perfectly. I hope you like that, guys. Please like and subscribe. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom, and I'll see you all next time.